The Chahal is no stranger to the Chinnaswamy Stadium, and he's put in a performance that sets him up for the IPL coming up in a month, couple of months. 6 for 25, best bowling figures by an Indian in T20 internationals, right up there with the best bowling figures in T20Is of all time. But Ajit Agarkar saw the little man get 6 wickets, saw him lofted by Yuvraj Singh at the end of it. Chahal and Mishra, what about Chahal today made him stand apart?
I think all three games really. I mean, he's again, having a leg spinner in your team is such a bonus, especially in this T20 format. Yeah, on a ground like Chinnaswamy, where like you said, it's his home place for them in the IPL, so knows how hard it is. Perhaps the surface was a little bit kinder than it generally is, but he still bowled well. He bowled, the pace was good, and because the ball gripped the surface. And when the opposition has to score 10 runs and over, there's always a risk attached to it if you're accurate enough. And there was enough variation there, whether there was a flipper or a googly, bowling wider to the left-handers. So making them work harder to go on the leg side, all those things, that's experience, but just accuracy. And, you've got to have a big heart to bowl at Chinnaswamy, which he seems to have.
It's a different kind of spinner than Amit Mishra, maybe just a bit quicker in his action. How do you compare the two, and probably what makes Chahal more effective, if at all?
Yeah, probably a little bit quicker than Mishra. Mishra tends to, obviously, Mishra bowls a lot more variety than Chahal. Chahal's a bit more accurate, bowls a lot more leg spinner and flipper. I think Mishra was... today started bowling a lot of seam-ups as well. It's hard. It's hard for a spinner with those big bats. But different actions. Mishra seems a lot more classical. He generally tends to flight the ball a lot more. Again, you want to be as accurate as you can and try and vary your pace, because the guys are coming at you harder and the boundaries are getting smaller. So that's the one thing I found, because both of them were very accurate. It was Chahal's night to get all those wickets, and 6 of them.
We've seen him play ahead of Mishra. We've now seen him probably outbowl Mishra. Is he and bowls with the new ball? Is he the #1 leg spinner in T20 cricket for India?
It seems like the case. I think looks like Kohli prefers him a little bit more to Mishra. It's if you'd rather play two spinners, the way the game's going in India, at least. The way runs get scored easily off maybe seamers or finger spinners. If you have the luxury of having two good leg spinners in the team, why not? But at the moment, he might just be ahead of Mishra.
Thanks for your thoughts, Ajit. There you go. Yuzvendra Chahal on a day that he will remember, on a night that he will remember, picking up 6 for 25, and therefore quite clearly our star of the day.